Hello my dear friends, it's Oksana. Welcome to my vintage kitchen. I'm sharing with you today vintage recipe from one of my vintage books, old-fashioned cherry strudel. This recipe is so easy to make. Everybody can make it, even if you don't have baking experience, you can make it. Comes out beautiful. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe, press this bell, press this like button, and without further ado, and if you need more amazing recipes, you can check this link